What's up, guys? My name is Chad. I'm here at Overland Expo Mountain West. I work for AllDogs Off-Road Co-op. We're based out of Lincoln, Nebraska, and we do 4x4 suspension lift kits for Nissan and Toyota applications. We're actually branching out past suspension, and we've recently started doing some ring and pinions, and you'll see behind me we've got some wheels that we're doing for Nissan applications too. So we have coil springs and leaf springs manufactured here in the USA. And we are the exclusive importer of Koni's off-road shocks for Toyota and Nissan applications. We have Koni 82 series and 90 series Raid shocks, which are fantastic dampers for your Frontier, your Xterra, your Tacoma, or your 4Runner. And we do a parabolic leaf spring, which I'll show you right now. What we have here is your traditional leaf spring that you'd be used to. It's a 3-leaf design with a 1-leaf overload. And what you'll notice is that it's uniform thickness from end to end. What we are doing now is a parabolic design, which is a more modern engineering of a leaf spring, which starts with a thicker center section and tapers out towards the edges. And there's several benefits to that. The first being a significant reduction in weight of the spring. These are about 20% lighter than your traditional leaf spring. They distribute stress throughout the entirety of the leaf spring rather than having specific points of failure, which happen with a multi-leaf elliptical. And the ride quality is absolutely phenomenal with them. They ride very much like a coil spring does. It's a very linear rate. We also do aftermarket control arms for Nissan applications. We have our high clearance upper control arm right here, manufactured in the USA. And then we have our wheels right here, which are pretty sweet looking. If you guys want more information or want to check us out, find us at alldogsoffroad.com. We're also super active on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube.